mail call. I got my order today. The seeds that I ordered from, I don't know if you can see it. You see it there? Little Shop of Seeds. Ray, the guy that owns Little Shop of Seeds, is retiring, and this is the last year that he's going to have seeds for sale. And he sells them quite reasonably. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. Take them out of the bag. Did I get them all? I believe I did. Okay, so let me begin. Oh, there's a lot of seeds in this one. And this is a American flag leek. A lot of seeds in this one too. This is a gourmet lettuce mix. And he sells his packets of seeds for 75 cents per packet. And then, of course, you have to pay shipping, but it's reasonable. Romano, is that how you pronounce it? Romano, I bet. Romano bush bean. California Wonder bell pepper. Arugula. A second seed of the Romano bush beans. I think I got two of everything, actually. This is Italian grand parsley. Utah celery. Long Island dill. Italian giant parsley. Another arugula. Sorry about that. I just bumped the edge of my computer with my hand. Another Long Island dill. Like I said, I think I got two of each one. Oh, radicchio, I think it's pronounced. Not grown this before, but it looks good. I think I've eaten it. And again, there's a good amount of seeds in there. Italian oregano. Another gourmet lettuce mix. Another Utah celery. Another radicchio. Another California Wonder bell pepper. Another American flag leek. And another Italian oregano. I'm quite pleased with the amount of seeds in each one of these little packets. When you only pay 75 cents, you think you might not be getting as many, but he's quite generous. So altogether, getting 2 packets of each thing, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. 2 packets each, 75 cents each packet, comes to a total of $15. And on the $15, my postage was $4.50. So $19.50. And I live in Oregon, so I don't have a tax. So Little Shop of Seeds is in Exira, Iowa. So if you look up Little Shop of Seeds on the internet, you should find his. His name is Ray, and his email is praxis55712@gmail.com. Quite pleased with that garden haul for today. Yeah. I'm sure I won't use up all the seeds this year, but they will eventually get used. Those will last for several years because I think everything I got there, the seeds will last for several years. Only certain seeds will only last a year or two, like things like onions, maybe. I'm not sure what else, but most things, the seeds can last for years, especially the beans, Those are bush beans. That's why I've got quite a few bean seeds, but most of mine are climbing beans on. I wanted a bush bean. As you know, I'm trying to grow a lot of things indoors. So I should be able to grow a bush bean indoors, a few bushes of them. I would think I should be able to grow those indoors. And I believe beans are self-pollinating. So all I would have to do is make sure that I touch the male flowers to the female flowers, and they should pollinate. Well, I just had to share that with you today. You know how much fun it is to get a new shipment of seeds. I find it very fulfilling. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know I am having a good day. Until my next video, may God's love and blessings fully surround you. I will see you next time.